Good morning, children. Good morning, students. Akshita, Namta, good morning.
Good morning,
Dhanan.
ma'am.
Bachche, speak out. I
Good
feel,
morning, ma'am.
yes, I feel, am I audible or not when you people don't speak out? Fine, fine, fine. Good morning. We had written a letter to whom yesterday?
About the power cuts.
Yes, editor.
About the frequent power cuts.
Very good. Could we conclude? Could we finish?
No, ma'am.
Was it done
Actually,
or
we have-
something?
Actually, we have sent on the group, but the time was over. So
So those who could not send yesterday, but you have completed it? Those who sent it after the period, post it again on the groups. I'm reading just now. Today you
Okay,
will do
ma'am.
this.
okay, ma'am.
Today you will do this. First post those who have not done. Today we'll be doing this. Though I'll be changing the subject, of course. Those who posted after the period got over, I could not check. Post on the group. I'll tell you your mistakes. And then we'll move on to this. Whoever is posting, let me know so that I can check on the group and tell you if there's some mistake. Yes. Let me know so that if some change has to be done, I'll inform you. Others, please go through what is shared on the screen. Today we are going to the second kind of formal letter.
Posted.
Okay. Post it. Let us read first. Those who are posting for them, let's read. Let me read. Ramsha has posted. Let's read. 15 civil lines, Bareilly, May 28. The editor, The Times of India. Dear sir, frequent power cuts. I, on behalf of the residents of Bareilly, wish to draw your kind attention towards our grievance. There is a very huge problem due to frequent power cuts. It is a major concern that the frequent power cuts have increased. It's plural, no? Have increased by a huge margin.
Okay, ma'am.
Nowadays, electricity has become a basic necessity in our everyday life. Power cuts cause a great difficulty. The students are not able to study, and also at night, thieves can easily steal. Okay, fine. And we will, fine, let's move on to the next page. Not be able to know. We cannot use any electrical appliances, especially refrigerators, air conditioners and lights. Shopkeepers have to close their shops very early due to this problem. It has become a headache as our daily life routine is ruined. Good. Fine. Very good. Very good. Let's see what's next. Where is the closing?
Ma'am, I'm doing it.
Yours faithfully or whatever. Now let's see what Akshita has written. Let's read to
Excuse
her.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, in closing, we can write it as we request them to.
You just write that I hope the concerned authorities will look into the matter and take some action. Thanking you in anticipation and your name. That's enough.
Okay, ma'am.
It's a major concern that the frequent power cut problem is increasing by a huge margin because of power cuts frequently in the city. There are so many problems. People are unable to do their work properly. They are facing the problems like it is a frequent power cut. So the work they are doing needs to be left. Okay, which kind of work? In the middle, and even because of this, the robbery is increasing day by day. Robberies. The women are unable to make the food properly due to the frequent power cuts. In this hot and humid summers, we are frequently falling ill and also feeling very hot and even not getting the proper sleep. Good. Everybody has their own genuine problems. Good. So we have read. Now let's see, Dhananjay has written something. I think Dhananjay posted yesterday. Subject is frequent power cut. Dhananjay, subject word should not be written after the subject. Okay? His mic has a problem. Yesterday also we had the same issue, I told him. Subject should be written first, the word subject. He is cut first and then written at the last because I told him not to write in the before the margin. So he has changed it probably. Very good. Whatever mistakes were there, he has changed. He has put the with editor, the with Times of India, but Times of India mein T should be capital Dhananjay. I'm sure he's able to hear me, but there is a problem in his mic. Times of India mein T of Times should be capital. Frequent, if you see the first line and wherever the spelling is written is Frequent. The spelling of frequent is Frequent. Frequent power cuts in our area have become a very big problem, good, in our day-to-day life. There is hardly any area which is not affected by this problem. Good. The whole society and system are passionate. So for the time being, paralyzed for the time being, we had read this. We are suffering from this problem from several days. Good. This is nice. Fine, fine. Let's see what is next over here. Aren't getting proper electrical current for our work. This we had read. It's become a headache for the working. Our daily life aren't able to use our gadgets because of this good load shedding, and thus we have become digitally blind. Good. In this autumn, very good. Whatever mistakes were there yesterday, he has done. At height where electrical power cuts, there is not light, air, the street, so robberies spreading, terrorism. Oh God, he has become extreme. Power cuts, terrorist. This is a request for concerned authorities. Nahi beta, it is concerned authorities. Just do that correction also. It's concerned authorities. Rest everything is good. To do something. Do something, nahi, tell them take an action, not do something. Now let's move on. Nikhil had posted yesterday. The editor of the Times of India, Bareilly. Frequent power cuts, good. Through the column of your esteemed daily, I would like to express my opinion with reference to a report claiming Bareilly to be the frequent power cut city. Good. We are suffering from this problem, yes, from all several days. We are not getting proper electrical current for our work. We are not able to use our gadgets because of the load shedding. How come your this thing is same gadgets? Because of this, we have become digitally blind. Dhananjay and Nikhil, same sentences. What is the secret? Have you copied from each other or you both taken from the net? What is the issue? In this hot and humid summers, we are not frequently falling ill and also not getting. Something is there. How come it is so similar? Nikhil and Dhananjay, your work is very, very similar. What is the magic? Very big problem in our day-to-day life. Frequent power cuts in our area. Let me read the last paragraph. I would be thankful if you look into the matter. Kindly look into the matter as early as possible, as all of us are facing many problems. Thanking you, Natis. This is Akshadas. Nikhil, conclusion. I request you to highlight this issue of our area so that the attention of authorities of our service station can be drawn upon this problem. Thanking you. Okay, the conclusion is different, no doubt. Conclusion of Nikhil is different from Dhananjay. However, a few ideas were the same. Thankfully, the conclusion is different. Good. At least few people are trying. There are so many who are just sitting, not even trying. Now we have a business letter on the screen. So today we'll be writing a business letter. You are the lab attendant of SR. No, let's not talk about SR International. You select the same, any school. You want any school, any city. And then you have to place an order for lab apparatus. Tell me the names of 4 or 5 things which are used in the lab. Lab apparatus, how will you order if you don't know the names only? Or let's order something else. What do you want to order? Tell. What you know. Sports items I have already done. And electrical gadgets I did with you yesterday. Orally. I am reading what Ramsha has written. Okay, let's do this. You're the hostel warden. So for your school, order some electrical gadgets for the hostel. Air conditioners, fans, tube lights, room heater, geyser, whatever you want to order. Is it okay for all?
Yes, ma'am.
Should we
Yes,
And we need
ma'am.
to make the box also like this.
Peter, this is what kind of a letter? Hmm? Yes, it's a business letter. It's a formal letter or an informal
Formal.
letter?
Formal
Yes, so if it's a
letter.
formal letter, then make a box. So, who are you? You're the warden of the school, hostel. Any name you can keep of the school. You can have any name for yourself. And you basically order for what? Electrical gadgets. What is the word you'll use?
Electrical gadgets.
Yes, they could be air conditioners, they could be fans, anything. So please see that this table has to be done. So you will not post the entire letter. Listen what you will post. You will post the sender's address, date, receiver's address, salutation, subject, the introductory line, and the box. Only till here you have to post. Terms and conditions we'll discuss later and we'll post later. So please start. What all you have to post, children? Number 1, whose address?
Sender's address.
Sender's address.
Yes. Number 2 would be?
Date.
Yes. Number 3?
Receiver address or addresses.
Receiver's address.
Yes. Then you'll have salutation. Then you'll have your subject.
Subject.
Then you'll have an introductory line. And then the box. In the box, at least how many things have to be written?
5.
Ma'am,
5
5
things.
things. And the order has to be in bulk. Don't write 1 fan, 2 lights. Nobody will come to give you. Please order in bulk. Hurry up. Please order quickly. Only till here. Only till the box you need to do and you need to post. Let me see. Whoever is posting should tell me so that I can check and give the feedback.
Ma'am, can we write name of our school?
Beta, I would always suggest don't. Get into the habit of always not writing your school, not writing your name, not writing the genuine year. These are some things because you people will be going for board exams. So get into the habit of maintaining confidentiality. It is always suggested not to give original things. Change. If you
Yes.
want, you can use the same name. If you want, you're not getting any name, you can use the same name which is shared on the screen. I hope you all are writing, you've not disappeared.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ramsha has posted the conclusion. I am going through this, whatever is there in the group. By the time you please write. Ramsha, don't use the word over this problem, okay? Don't use the word that authorities will take action over this problem. Just write, I hope the concerned authorities will take action. Will take action.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I know, Dhananjay, your mic is not working. It's absolutely okay. We know about it. Yesterday also you had posted a message for me. So it's absolutely okay. I'll just keep giving my feedback on what you have posted. Don't worry. Okay, Dhananjay and Nikhil had discussed before writing. That is what they told me. And then that is why there are some similarities in the letter. Very good, Dhananjay. Very good, Nikhil. If you're taking your work so seriously that you're discussing it before writing. Too good, both of you. Very good. Keep it up.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, is it
Ma'am, I
You posted?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, very smart. So soon, let's go back to the group. Very good. Let's read. Children, stop writing.
excuse me, ma'am?
Yes, bache.
Ma'am, is it necessary to write the product code?
You can write the brand in place, but you need to have 4 columns. Okay. You can write the brand like fan, Usha, Polar, whatever you want. If you don't remember the product, then you simply write ABC. If you don't know the brand, write ABCPQR. Okay, all of us will first read what Devansh has written. St. Mary's School, Tilhar, SPN. Devansh, always first make a margin. Okay. Are you listening, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
So that your line, these words, they all come in a straight line. So whenever you start writing, first thing you do is make a margin on the left side. Because if you see some letter is coming this side, some is going here, some is going there. So always remember, first make one line. If you're
Okay.
using a page which does not have a line, then chalo, let's see. St. Mary's School, Tiller, SPN. Beta, no need to write UP. Yesterday I told you we do not write the state. It is not needed. Only 2 lines have to be used for the address. We had discussed this in the class yesterday. Only 2 lines to be used for the address. So you will only write Tilhar and you will write the pin code. If you don't know the pin code, you can write 123
Okay.
XXX, whatever you want to write. Clear? So in the
Okay.
address, first line, first thing, always draw a margin towards the left, and second is do not write the state. UP is not needed. I'm sure you were not present yesterday. Were you present in the class?
No, ma'am.
That is why. See, when you write the date, we never put these dash between the dates. You will just write 29th. It is 29th, TH. What has to be written with 29?
TH.
And after month, we put a comma. So there should be a comma after May, not this dash or hyphen is not there. So how will we write the date? 29th May. The dash is not needed. A comma after the month and then 20XX. That is perfect. The manager, Sector 14, Madhuvan Colony. No. The manager is absolutely okay. In the second line, we write the name of the company to whom we are writing this letter. Supposing you are writing to Gupta and Sons, Agarwal and Brothers, whoever. So the second line should have the name of the firm and the third line should just have the name of the city. We do not give these kind of details in receiver's address. So we will only write the manager. Tell me the name of the company to whom we want to write.
Ma'am, Agarwal Traders.
Fine. The manager, Agarwal Traders, Tilhar, and then a pin code 456XXX, whatever. Now, before I go and read on the letter, Devansh, this part you write again and post it. Do the desired changes in receiver's address, date, and sender's address. I'm waiting for you. By the time I'm reading your letter, you please change this and post again. Akshada has written, let's see what Akshada has written. Jain High School, Club Road, Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. Akshada, Uttar Pradesh not to be written, I told you yesterday also.
Yes, ma'am.
So just write Mathura and write a pin code, any pin code that, and no comma needed after Mathura. 29th date is correct. The manager, Kids and Kids, 41D. Remove this, this is not needed. 41D, Sector 48. I told you yesterday only 2 lines to be used. Faridabad and state is not needed. Actually, people are copying from what is shared on the screen. But yesterday I told you that everything which is shared in that letter is not correct. Don't write this. 41D, Sector 48, Faridabad. Write a
Okay,
pin code for Faridabad. Remove the state Haryana. This is not needed. Let me see, dear sir, subject order for electrical appliances. This has reference to our meeting on May 29th. We want to place an order for electrical appliances for our hostel. Kindly go through the list given below. Go through, you write kindly find the list enclosed below or kindly find the list below, not go through. Fan,
Okay.
fan need fans because you're ordering 20, na? So make it fans. Coolers,
Ma'am, all
again,
will be like
yes, coolers, air conditioners, microwaves, and refrigerators, because the number is all plural. So order it like this. Very good. Akshita, just change this address wala part. You can change here
Yes,
only.
ma'am, I have changed.
If you have done, you can post it to me. Post on the group only.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
now my voice is coming.
Hmm?
My voice is coming.
Yes, your voice is coming now. Perfect.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Ma'am, now what we have to, ma'am, what we have to write in the after manager.
A little louder, beta. What are you saying?
What we have to write in after the manager.
What has to be written after?
Manager.
Manager, the name of the company, the name of the firm. You can keep any company. You can write ABC Electricals. You can write Gupta and Sons, Agarwal Brothers, the name of the company to whom you're writing, and then the city and the pin code. That's it.
Okay. ma'am.
Hurry up. Right?
Ma'am,
Even if
posted it again.
Ha, bache, I'll go through what you have posted again. Just give me 2 minutes. I'm going through it. Others, I'm waiting for you. Those who are posting, I'm reading. Don't worry. If there is any mistake, I'll help you. But if you will not post only, I will never get to know what is wrong and I'll not be able to help you also. So children, please post. Okay, let's see what Akshita has done. Jain High School, Club Road, Mathura. Fine. 29th May, manager, kids, Faridabad. Beta, you need to remove the commas after Faridabad also. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Rest everything is fine now. Very good. Let's go through the. She's put S also with fans, coolers, and everything. Very good. Akshita, you move on to terms and conditions now. You can see what is shared on the screen. Add on a little of your own and write about terms and conditions. Hurry up, I'm waiting for others. Hurry up, children, please. If anyone is posting, please let me Hurry up, children. The table has to be made. Hurry up, Peter.
Ma'am, I have posted again.
Okay, very good. Let's see. Very quickly. It's done. Chalo beta. Let me see what he has written. Good. Devansh has posted. St. Columbus School. Very good. You've written it again, but one thing again, my child, you've forgotten making the margin. Okay. Next time,
Ma'am,
remember
I
that
have
you have to make the
posted.
29th May, the manager, QVC Traders, Jainpur, dear sir, orders for electrical goods.
Ma'am,
Not
pin code we will
orders.
write like this.
Huh?
Ma'am, pin
You can
code
write like this. Yes, but there is no need to put comma after the name of the city. You've written Jainpur, comma, na? Comma is not needed. When you write pin, there is no need to
Ma'am,
put a comma.
we can write pin code in the third line by writing pin code dash
No, no,
24,
no,
26.
no. Only two lines have to be used and there is no need to write the word pin code. Okay? Perfect. Whatever you've written is absolutely correct. Only that there should be no
Okay.
comma after Jainpur.
Okay.
Okay? Rest everything is correct. Now come to the subject. It is order for electrical goods, not orders. Okay? Change this also. Very good. Order.
ma'am.
This has reference to our meeting dated on December 10. I would like to place an order for certain electrical appliance goods. Kindly refer to the list given below. Very good. Fans, heaters, CFLs, coolers, Havells, Khaitan, Usha, Symphony, 1527. Excellent. Till here, everything is correct. Only where you have written subject, it should not be orders. It should be
Order.
order. Very good.
Okay.
Now write the second paragraph mentioning term and conditions. You can refer to the screen, but write your own matter a little bit. Children, see those who write whatever mistakes are there, we can discuss so that they can improve. Those who are not posting only, how will I know?
Ma'am, I
Okay,
have posted.
yes, now let me see what she has posted. Good. Please post, children. Sohali has posted. Let's read. Bareilly, the pin code is missing. Sohali, immediately write the pin code. And where you've written date now, 2nd May, that ND should be on the line. It should not be as a power, not like an exponent in maths. It should be on the line ND. Rest everything is. And the manager, ABC Private Limited. This should be in one line only, ABC Private Limited. You should use only 3 lines for writing the address of the receiver also. So just write the manager and what will you write? ABC Private Limited and the name of the city. So many lines you will not use for writing the address, only 2 lines. The manager, then ABC Private Limited and then the name of the city. Order for electrical appliances. This has reference to our meeting. Yes, order for certain electronic appliances, not certains. Cut that S. Okay, certains nahi beta. It should be certain. TV, refrigerator, item, lights, air conditioners. Very good. Product code, quantity, rest. Very good. So you have to only change receiver's address. And that ND which you have written on the top, it should be cut and written on the line. Change in this only and post again, Sohali. Cut this, write again on the same paper and post it again.
Okay, ma'am.
No need to write again with a different paper. Do it here only.
Ma'am, how many lines we can write terms and conditions?
Beta, that
Ma'am?
depends. That depends upon the word limit. Your entire letter should be 120 to 150 words. Now you need to see how many words you've already written in the introductory paragraph. Conclusion again is maximum 30, 40 words. 30 only you say that you have an introduction. So you should at least write 80 words, approximately 80 words. So now it depends upon how many words in one line according to your handwriting.
Terms and conditions should be come in 80 words.
Yes, lines, it depends on a different handwriting beta. Some people write more words in one line, some people write less. So it should be approximately 80 to 90 words. Terms, conditions, how much you are paying, all those things that we had discussed yesterday, everything to be included.